All right, so we are here with Steve. Steve is actually my brother-in-law. So he has to either put up with me or I have to put up with him, one of the two.
Both. It's totally both.
He's seen me build this, seen the entire series, but he's actually never been for a ride. So we're actually going to go for a ride today. Steve, what do you think, dude?
Excited. It's about time. It's really about time. Although you're going to have to help me with this.
Oh, sorry. So this is first.
Into here? Oh, into here.
Yeah, slide those on there. Yep.
There we go. That makes sense.
And then hook that in there, the loop, and then pull that hook will latch on. There you go. And then pull these down.
Ready for lift off.
All right. So what do you think of the car?
It's awesome. It's fun. It's fast. We've been to lots of car shows.
As a spectator.
Spectator, true. As a spectator, yep.
You've seen some of the videos, so it looks fast.
And my kid's been in here too, so.
Yeah, one of your boys went for a ride. Yeah.
He had a blast with that, so yeah.
So I posed the question, do you want to go for a cruise, or do you want to let your hair on fire and hold on?
Let's hold on. Okay,
we'll let her hair on fire. Or at least the tires, one of the two.
You haven't even replaced the tires yet, so you're still...
They're getting down there pretty good.
Underachieving a little bit there?
Well, when you're getting sideways and squealing around.
It's, a different feeling.
All right.
So the last time I rode in a car with you like this was the sand rail buggy.
Was the buggy?
Buggy. Do you remember we were eating bugs the whole...
Yeah, we had no windshield on that. Yeah. And we were just on the street, right?
Yeah. That's all. he took off like he had a purpose.
Oopsies. We're still recording. Yeah, we're still recording.
We might have flipped the camera at 30 feet. So.
We'll see what that looks like.
Looks like we got that.
Is that that Jeep?
I don't know what that is. That's what I was trying to figure out if it was or not.
It's never done that before.
Yeah, you seriously launched at about 30 feet, so I'm glad it's still in one piece. That's insane. You're at that much power and you're at 3,500 RPMs.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm watching this go and I'm like, it's not even barely halfway through that.
All right, dude.
I'm still holding on.
What do you think?
It's faster than you think. It's quicker than you think.
It looks different on the videos versus when you actually see it.
I mean, we've been in a lot of different types of cars that go fast. This is different. This is different. It's an open air car. It's totally different.
Very little body roll, and so you get the roads nice and tight.
Yeah, there's no rolling at all. It's just going.
And what would you recommend? Is this a
go for a ride? It's worth the time and effort. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like I said, we've been in some different cars, and this thing rips. So it's pretty crazy. Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Thanks for coming.
It's fun. It's a blast.
It's been long overdue for sure.
I was supposed to get the first ride. Well, maybe after your wife, but then But yeah,
but we'll have to go for a cruise, like just Mount Lemon or in town, just instead of lighting our hair on fire. We tossed the camera. The camera came out.
Launched like 30 feet out came across in front of him like that out the window.
You didn't like go out and get it?
Yeah.
Well, we backed up to get it. Backed up, pulled over. Yeah.
We were watching you get down there, and I was trying to like, whoa. I was like, that sounds like a backfire a little bit.
And then.
And then I see like, we heard the tires.